In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Squarespace website in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a business owner looking to establish an online presence or someone who wants to share their creative work with the world, Squarespace is a versatile and user-friendly platform that's perfect for building beautiful websites quickly. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, open your preferred web browser. It doesn't matter if you're using Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. The process remains the same. Type Squarespace into your search bar and hit Enter. You should see the official Squarespace website at the top of the search results. Click on this link to navigate to Squarespace's homepage. Once you're there, look for the Get Started button, which is prominently displayed on the homepage. Clicking Get Started will initiate the website creation process, guiding you through the initial setup. As you proceed, you'll encounter a series of prompts designed to help Squarespace understand the type of website you're looking to create. Take your time to answer these questions thoughtfully, as they will guide the platform in tailoring the setup to suit your specific needs. Next, you will be presented with a selection of templates. Squarespace offers a wide variety of professionally designed templates, each catering to different types of websites, from portfolios and blogs to online stores and personal sites. Browse through the options and select a template that resonates with your vision. Remember, this will form the foundation of your website's look and feel, so choose one that closely aligns with your style and the purpose of your site. After selecting a template, Squarespace will generate a new website for you, applying the chosen template as a starting point for your design. Now you'll have the opportunity to personalize it. Click on the Edit Site button to open the editing interface. This is where you can begin to customize your site further, adding your own text, images, and other content to make it uniquely yours. Customization is crucial because it allows you to tailor the site to your specific audience and goals. Change fonts, adjust colors, and upload your own logo or images to truly make the site reflect your brand or personal aesthetic. Squarespace's user-friendly drag-and-drop interface makes this process both simple and enjoyable. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything looks, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save and Publish options, typically located at the top right of the editing interface. Clicking these will ensure that all your hard work is preserved and that your website is live and accessible to the public. And there you have it, a complete Squarespace website set up in just a few minutes. By following these steps, you can confidently build a professional-looking site without any technical expertise. Thank you for watching, and happy website building.